guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my Boxy charm. I'm super excited to unbox this because I've seen some of the stuff that's in it and I'm super looking forward to using it. So let's get into this thing and see what we got. I got a knife. I know I never open it all the way, which is probably not good, but then I can just close it. Okay, I love that part of it. Have you noticed too, they've made these so much smaller. The boxes are tiny now. Alrighty. So there's a little, you can get this little thing for $10 at Ulta. Here's the little price card. Okay. So the first thing I see are these Luxy brushes, which are like super cute. They're like wood. They're pink wood. Isn't that pretty? I've never seen them like this way before. And there's these different ones. So cute. I can't wait to use these. I haven't used a brush like this for foundation in so long. It's kind of crazy. I used to only use these. For like the longest time I was like obsessed with it. Now I use a beauty blender or like one of those big oval brushes. So these are $30 for this little set of brushes, and this is the little packaging it came in. Next is this Superfood Vital Veggie Mask, which I'm actually super excited to try this. This is $35. I will do a video on this. I really like masks, and apparently people like masks because those are actually some of my most popular videos, so I will be trying this out for you guys to see if it works and how it works and if my skin feels great or not from it. Let's see, can I smell it or is it closed? Nope, it's closed. I will smell it for you guys in that video. Next is cleansing spa water. Okay, makeup removing wipes. I'm like, I think these are makeup removing wipes. These are $17 and you get, does it say how many are in here? 10 cloths in this little pack. They're pretty heavy duty. They're like real fat and they feel weird. Okay, so that's these. So I'll have to try these out and see if they work or not. Next is this Luna by Luna. It's called Mars. It's lip gloss. It is very light pink and sparkly and it smells really good. And now, can you see that? It's really pretty. This is what I'm most excited for though. Oh wait, that is $18. And this is what I've been waiting for. The Butter London eyeshadow palette. These colors are gorgeous. Like, look at that. How do you not love this? Alright, let's see what they look like. These are so pigmented. So that is what all the colors will look like. Swatched on my hand. I know they're not like perfect and super beautiful, but the shimmers are like to die for. They are so beautiful. So the first four, these four, are so pretty. These are pretty too, but they're not as intense as like these ones. When I was swatching them just now, like these ones came on the hand like super well, and then these I had to do like a few times. So this I'm super excited to try, and it is $32. So let's see how much this box is worth. Handy dandy Sofa.
Okay, so 35 plus 32 plus 30 plus 18 plus 17 equals
132 doll hairs. So yeah, that's a pretty good deal. It's like $21 a month, I think. And you get $132 worth of product in it. I think the next one of these months is the box lugs. Maybe it's the next one. I don't know. I'm super excited to get it though, because those ones are like super crazy, and the box is like 3 times the size of this box. It's a little ridiculous, but I'm super stoked. We got an eyeshadow palette, a lip gloss, some makeup removing wipes, this awesome mask I'm hoping, and some brushes. I always love to get brushes. It's like my favorite thing to get. I literally feel like you can never have too many brushes. Like really though. It's a must-have when you do makeup. Just because, let's be real here, we don't always want to clean our brushes, so it's nice to have a bunch. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. And I love you guys so much. Have a good rest of your day. Bye guys!